Hi all, welcome to another video. So today we are going to discuss product owner role and responsibilities. So we will understand 5 key responsibilities of a product owner and how we can use owner itself as an acronym to remember these 5 key responsibilities. So let us start. So the very first responsibility of a product owner is product backlog. So product owner is accountable for product backlog. The PO owns the backlog, manages the backlog, shaping it, prioritizing it, and steering it. Second key responsibility of a PO is the vision, the product vision. So product owner drives the vision, turning the big ideas, the big features into valuable outcomes. So it's the PO who understands what needs to be built as part of the product development, what goes as a feature which is handy, which is more useful for the end users of the product, and what's the vision about this product, like how we will shape this particular product. So third key responsibility is ROI. So PO is responsible for return on investment by turning the priorities into business value. So PO understand, okay, what are the set of features which are going to be the key when it comes to the product marketing, product usage, because ultimately the ROI is of utmost importance. So whatever we are building, it needs to be used by the end user, needs to be liked by the end users, then we will have a better ROI. So PO has to consider, what are the features which are mostly in demand in the market or by the end users, and how we can make our product more reachable to the users. Fourth responsibility is stakeholders. That means, engaging with the stakeholders. So PO bridges the vision and value by actively engaging with the stakeholders. So PO works closely with the stakeholders. So it's not like, stakeholders like for a new team or new Agile team, the stakeholders are directly approaching to the team. So rather than that, I mean, PO seeds the team. He works closely with the stakeholders, understanding their requirements, priorities, and at the same time keeping vision aligned so that PO decides himself what needs to go as a priority in a release. And the last and the fifth one is the work acceptance. PO ensures only quality and value driven work gets accepted. So whenever a team says, okay, work is done, the PO sees, okay, whether work is done as per the acceptance criteria, as per the quality, and he accepts the work. Now, if we have to remember owner acronym for a PO, so this is how we can define where O represents owns the backlog, W represents V work acceptance, N is for nurturing the product vision because product vision is not like a final document, it keeps evolving. E is engaging with the stakeholders, and R is return on investment and value delivery. So that's all about today.